Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on the Goodbudget application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Goodbudget app on your device. And once you open it up, if you haven't logged out from your account, you will directly be taken into your homepage from which you can see your envelopes, your transactions as well as your accounts. Now if you wish to log out from your account, click on the three dots at the top right corner of your window and then tap on Settings. Now within the settings page, you will see the logout option. Go ahead and tap on it and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to log out. Go ahead and tap on the yes button once again and now you will be logged out from your Goodbudget account right away. If you wish to log back in, you can tap on the login button and then enter your credentials and you will be logged into your account right away as soon as you click on the login button. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on the Goodbudget application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.